Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this short video series about the wiring harness behind the headlight in Yezdi Adventure, in this video we will talk about the USB charging connector in Yezdi Adventure. If you observe carefully, there is a wiring harness put in the slot. We have to lift the wiring harness and pull it out. Videos about kill switch and ignition switch are already in the channel, and videos about the clutch switch and indicators and hazard light will be coming in the channel very soon. And this is the connector of the LH side indicator, and this is the clutch switch connector. We will talk in later part of the videos coming in the channel. And this connector is related to the USB charging. It already has a USB charging label on it, tagged to it, and we need to check the voltage on this connector. If we don't get 5 volt supply from the mobile charging or USB charging unit, instead of just thinking that the mobile charger or USB charging unit is faulty, we need to check whether we are getting enough voltage at this connector or not. And the manual says we will get the voltage or the USB charging will work only when the engine is turned on and the battery voltage is more than 13 volts. We will just check in two conditions, in ignition on state and engine running state, whether the voltage is coming or not. So we will check the connector voltage here. We will turn the ignition on and check where it is regulated. So when I turn the ignition on and check the voltage, there is none. There is no voltage at this connector. So ECU won't supply the voltage at this connector when the ignition is turned on. So when I turn the ignition on and started the engine, so I am getting the voltage here 13.5. So here the wiring harness is good, it is getting enough voltage here. If your USB charging unit is not working, first we have to check this whether we are getting voltage at this connector or not, then jump into the USB charging unit. So it might be faulty. So that is how you filter it out. So while making the video, I got a hack or an idea that we can hardwire this 12 voltage from the battery and charge our mobile when you don't want to start the engine and waste the petrol in an emergency situation only. So it will be very useful, and I will cover it in the later part of the videos in the channel. Stay tuned.